Petty fam.
Hey, Petty fam.
We're doing a mod. Happy birthday to my brother, Clare. Let's get into it.
It's your boy M.O.D, man.
Hey,
mod.
My energy is amazing. I feel good today. You feel me? I'm living for now. I ain't worried about later. You feel me? That song is coming out soon. Yo, Young Brev.
Got your car keys.
Yo, Young Brev.
Got a song.
Don't just violate my... Yo, Young Brev. Yo, Young Brev. Yo, my boy Young Brim, today is Clarence's birthday. If you don't know, you feel me? My boy
Hey,
Young
bro.
Brim pulled up
You
to the
don't
A.
know.
You feel me? Okay. Yo, I know this is probably your first time seeing Brim in a while, but this is my first time seeing that hat. And other than that, yo, stay tuned. Big vlogs all day, you heard? Shh. Y'all wanna fake see what I got Clarence for his birthday? You feel me? I can't really show y'all. So I just show y'all the back. You feel me? I just show y'all the back. Look at that. Look what we did.
Meow.
Little HP. You feel me? All my fly niggas know what's going on. Little HP. But stay tuned. Rap for me, and I got the G7 now. Come on, comment that. Therapy's the hottest song ever. Come on, write it for me. Come on, I got the cam out. Come on, y'all gotta write it. Come on, y'all gotta flood my shit. Okay, the song is way lit. Okay. Everybody, you feel me? Yeah, therapy go crazy. Niggas is getting, all this is going in the vlog. Today's a big vlog day. You feel me? The vlog's gonna be ham today. Stay tuned with your boys. You feel me? I got the cam. I got the G7 just for y'all. You feel me? Y'all know what's happening today. Y'all know what's going on. Y'all know the vibe in the world. Look at that. Look what the comments are saying. Therapy goes hard. Therapy is the hottest song ever. Go stream Therapy. Yo, y'all go listen to all my followers before they jump you. You feel me? On your block. You heard? And I love y'all. I'm out. I love y'all. You too. What's good? It's your boy M.O.D. You feel me? It's my boy's birthday. You feel me? I had to use a mask to tie my hair up because I don't got hair.
Not tying it with the mask.
Only y'all say happy birthday to my boy.
Happy birthday,
love.
Oh, that's why you had to take the paper down.
Yeah, you gotta have everybody
He got
clubhouse.
company.
And then I got the big John here. It's one of those special
Hey, John
things.
again.
You feel
John.
me? You feel me? I had a conversation yesterday. They asked me what I was. I said I'm a 9.7. After today, I'm gonna be a 12. I'm gonna be a 12 after this John cut. So stay tuned for how sexy I'm looking. I even throw my
John
fit
be cutting
on.
everybody
You feel
hair.
me?
Yeah.
Yo, Young Brim, you got anything to say? No Brim alert! I love it. You too. You feel me? It's your boy M.O.D. And it's finally the moment. You feel me? Like, you feel me? If you really know, you know who my best friend is. Yo, this kid is
that's a
Yo,
best friend.
some of my
Hey,
best
best
friends
friend.
is jerk. Yo, bro. This kid's a jerk.
Jerk.
Yo,
Jerk.
this kid's a jerk. Yo, Mike.
Why he running?
Bro, Mike. Yo, Mike. I just tried to give my friend his birthday gift, and he went upstairs. What would you do? What would you do? You feel me? And like, y'all my, you feel me? Like, not that everybody here is my friends, you know, but this is my close group. These is my dogs, you know? These is my dogs.
That's my dog.
You know?
That's my dog.
Alright, John say you ain't hear me, Mom. I'm gonna do it over, Mom. I'm gonna do it over. I'm alright.
She's your lead dog.
I tried to get this kid a big grabber bag.
Lead dog.
But fact, bro, happy birthday, my boy. That's it, my boy.
They don't get it.
Oh.
Yo, Lee, what you got?
Hey, Lily.
Oh, you got the birthday, dear Clarence.
Yay! Sing for your man, Queen.
Blow out the fake candle.
Where's the candle?
I don't know, they gotta blow out the fake candle.
You made your wish?
Yeah.
You can't just blow it out. Right?
Make a wish,
I did.
boo.
I made a wish. Alright, everybody clap.
Alright, so we have a surprise for you. Well, first, you know
I gotta get one of these. No cap. This is motivation, manifestation.
Drip.
Big drip.
Drip.
Oh, that's
We got a smoking jacket.
That's tough. That's tough.
What's the F5? I can't see y'all.
drippy.
That's OD. You gotta get some black Tims.
Oh shit.
Mike got
Keep it super New York.
camera and a
Black
phone.
Timbs. Back
I ain't gonna
LV
miss
boots.
nothing.
Take it to a whole new level.
Man, if I would have seen that bitch, I would have got it. That was tough.
Nigga said if I ever would have seen that bitch, I would have got it.
I didn't see that motherfucker.
Nigga said if I ever would have seen that bitch, I would have got it.
Nah, he's so happy.
He is happy. We ain't happy too.
Yep.
Oh, here. You might want to.
Oh, that's tough. Oh man, that's tough right there. Oh
You got
man, tough.
You got the pants to go to it in.
Oh damn.
Ooh, LV tracksuit.
Louis.
I like, I gotta borrow this.
Ew. He doesn't even know what's coming.
Patty and Matt modding on it.
Right.
You gotta go outside.
He like, why I gotta go outside? Oh, look at the balloons in the bag.
Yeah.
Yeah, damn sure gotta go outside. Come on, let's go outside.
He gun shy because she was pranking him all the time.
Right.
Fucking bully. Let's go outside.
You gonna prank in front of all his friends? He's scared.
Oh, you gonna be cold, Claire. You should have kept the jacket on.
Let's go the fuck outside.
He's so excited with his
That's
friend.
when you know your friend love you. When he's so excited, like he getting it.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh,
That's pretty.
Oh, I can't see though.
Oh, I got you, my boy. I got you, my boy.
Oh, he gonna help him down the stairs.
One more step.
oh, he must hear that.
Open your eyes.
You gotta hear it.
He said, oh, shucks.
Got the CA,
That's yours.
Corvette. Jump in the Corvette.
You can't say he don't have no car now.
Yo, we out
The
to the
bed
mall tomorrow.
seats.
I know. It got his name in the headrest.
Ow.
He's a CLAREBARE. Yo, Claire. Why she get a white fit
Yeah.
or red?
Yeah. That'd be
Him and
nice.
her.
Yeah.
You gotta see the seat though. Now you gotta see the seat. Long ago.
For real?
Seat though. With the red guts and all.
Yo, see.
You see the Forgiatos on the wheels, bro?
See, tap it. It's on. Just tap it.
Tap it.
Oh, yeah. You had to have it talk to us.
This is OD. This is so OD.
Rags to riches.
This nigga says it's definitely beats the burger.
You don't gotta wow out.
Aww.
Happy birthday, Claire.
Aww. Like, comment, subscribe, share
If you care, click the bell and become part of the Noto Squad.
Petty, I've been winning steady. 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 Petty, 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 I've been winning steady.